Hello everyone. Today would like to start an amazing thing that is about amazing recognition. Before we deep dive into what is it, how it works, we know that nowadays there are cloud provide so many non-code programs, which means that we do not write so many code, just give the input and we can see output. This is one of the advance of technology nowadays. So Amazon machine learning, they offer so many things like Amazon transcribe speech to text in the free tiers. 60 minute we can use per month, SageMaker, and so on. Now today would like to start from recognition, and it is one of the easy and most uses in computer vision, like we see as a visualize image, text on image and video. We have to sometimes do semantic analysis, we have to detect object and so many things. And interestingly, we can do it and we can get the result within very few seconds. So don't spend any second, we just start from here. So if we read from the official documentation of AWS, so what is Amazon Rekognition? Automate and lower cost your image and video recognition with email analysis. So we can achieve or use the recognition with the help quickly API, analyze within second, easily scale. So why recognition? As already we know that it's low code and lower cost solve computer vision tasks in a cloud. So why not? We have to choose it. Or what it can do? We can see in this picture that it can detect during the live face detection. Also in the face analysis, which portion based on the face it is male or female, also the happy, smiling, and eyes are closed or not, like this. And in the custom level it can detect this is an level. So in the custom level, basically there are, if we consider this also a level, but it detect this one because we said this our target is like this type of object, that's why. Also text detection, if you look at this, there are, if we consider the full picture, a colorful picture where some part of human bodies, but it detect only 4599 or 5022 text number. And also content moderation, detect the content is useful or not, and it's healthy for the young generation, so easily it can detect it and so on. So can I just describe this theory type? No, we have to go on the code section. If you directly go click with sign into the console, uh, if you have not the AWS account, you have to open it and sorry, or you can go through it. And the things where we can find actually here. So there are the basically things of that what it can do: leverage proven image video analysis, detect object unique to your business, and integrate with AWS services. So we start from the demo actually, then we can try to give our own images and see what the it can return. Okay, so it's loading and we can see. So if we hover this, then we can see like the each rectangular box, each square box define an object. Okay, The size is depend on box, depend on the object. So it's a stick board, it's a person, and it's a long rectangular shape. We can see here this is detect the building, and interestingly that it can detect a whale at the tiny part of an image. Okay, also, so we can see also the result as a confident score there, like they can 99.99 city, road, street, urban, person, they can detect it 99.99%. And okay, so in the request, how do we send a request like this? In the next part we can see that like it. Okay, if you look at this, the response it return as a label. So the result that written in the JSON format, like city 99.99. If you look at this here, so we have to upload our own picture to justify it, what it exactly says about the object detection. So let's say, okay, so we can see here that the text is 81%, advertisement 70, poster and electronics, computer hardware. So sometimes they can represent the wrong, like car 55.552%. We can provide another images here so that what it can return. Okay, like this one. Yeah, we can see that it's recognize clearly each person, and also this is the building and the woman. Okay, also we can identify about the property of color, brightness, sharpness, foreground property, and so on. If you look this image, here is the dominant color of the image quality, and image moderation, facial analysis, like this. That appears to female, age range. One of the strange thing about that, it can also predict the estimate of age range. Okay, so I upload one of my picture. Let's see what it can detect. Yeah, it's true. Can detect my range, and also we can see other things. Another thing is that not wearing glasses, 99.1% smiling, and the response is a JSON. And the next part we will see how to use code about this, and the celebrity recognition. So uh, this person, none other known, this is the Jeff Bezos. So I want to check one of the images that was everyone know him who loved the soccer. Yeah, he's a Brazilian player, Neymar. So there are so many things that we can do within very few seconds, and the pricing is very low depending on the region. Like this, for the first 1 million images it takes 0.001 cent. It's an west US west region, So over the 35, the cost is 0.004. So if you go through this, change your region and see the prices. That's all about it.